in with the corner here, and there's like an arrow there, and it only goes in one way. There we are, and it just sits like that. We put the lever down, there's a little bit of resistance and it clicks back in. Right, that's the machine. Now I'm going to put this back on now. I think that's always a bit of air in there. A little bit more, too much more. That feels like that's kind of gone hard. Oh, bloody hell. Damn it. It felt like there was a bit of air in that, and then that bit that was coming off was, this is good, isn't it? Give me that. That's probably more than enough actually, because these things don't. Oh man, this is stupid. You bloody want to do it, it don't work out. That's funny, that is. Bloody mess of it. I think it is non-conductive and should be probably. I've had that stuff on it for years on end. I don't see what the. Just get that last bit off there. Right, that's enough dull paste. So I'm gonna. God, it's gonna be funny putting this on. Yeah. That should be fine. I'll leave that as untouched as possible. Okay. Right, all that crap off of there. Providing the damn thing still works, of course. Now, I'm going to have a problem putting this back on because I know it's going to be. Maybe it's better to turn it around because I don't think I can do this from this angle. Okay, I'll stop it. I just turn it around because I need to latch this end so I can see what I'm doing. Oh my goodness me. Hopefully this is not going to go wrong. Got to go basically when you put it on there, you do that, and then you've got to put the latch on this end, and it's probably going to go absolutely every bloody where. Doesn't really matter which way he does it. I can feel it. It's like it's just sitting on top of there. I never like putting these back on because. It's got to go like that. There it is there. It's gone backwards. I don't want to disturb the paste, but I've got the screwdriver on it, right? It's not going. So it can come forwards a bit more. Pressing it down. I don't want to damage the die on the processor. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I'm. Shut up. I got this back to front. Can't get it in, I don't know. I'm doing it wrong. Sure. And it flipping well falls off. And it falls off like that. Oh, clever man. Like that, but it's not. It ain't going in. I don't know what I'm doing wrong on that one. 1, 2, 8 thing, right? Oh, this little. The end is missing off of this, so I don't know what's going on with that. It doesn't stay on. There's like a little end that's falling off. I think that's what's missing off of this thing. I think this thing's moved or something. Is that right? think you've got to press down it with a screwdriver on top, and then it won't go back. I can't get it in now. I'll not be able to get this. It won't go on the end. I could not go unless I'm too far forwards with that, but I can't. Let's get that in there. I do believe that we're near. Very near to getting it. I don't want to break the die on this. Come on, you bloody thing. Has that got it? It's got it. Damn it, that took forever. We've got it coming off. I don't want it coming off. It's in. Okay, oh, that took me far too long. Damn it, that's annoying. I have to get that out. Bloody messing about with this. Right. Finally, after 10 minutes nearly, there it is. The end of that is supposed to be like a little thing that stops this from falling off, so it's back in. Stupid clip thing. So let's put the fan on and then let's get it running and see if it's alright. I hope I haven't damaged it by fannying around with it too much.